Out of the 234 samples, we have received confirmation of 9 people who have tested positive for coronavirus disease. This now brings the total number of confirmed COVID-19 cases in Kenya to 59. Tracing of the contacts of the 59 confirmed cases is ongoing. So far, the total number of close contacts that we have so far been monitoring stands at 1,668. Earlier this month, we launched Mbagathi Hospital as our main isolation center for patients who test positive for coronavirus disease. The hospital has a capacity of 120 beds, and it continues to play a key role in terms of testing and isolating those who are found infected with the virus. We have also put in place Kenyatta University Teaching, Research and Referral Hospital that has a bed capacity of 300 beds, which we are in the process of equipping and boosting capacity. We are also exploring the usage of our boarding schools countrywide in the event the situation worsens. We continue to work with our health workers to protect them and to ensure that they have the right gear to be able to work as our frontline army in this disease. We are in the process of hiring 1,000 health workers to boost capacity. With regard to personal protective equipment, as we informed you yesterday, we are scaling up on acquisition of personal protective equipment for our health facilities countrywide. It is important for us to be aware that there is a global shortage of this personal protective equipment, and in this regard, the government is engaging with local manufacturers to be able to see how we can scale up our capacities.